Hey yo guys, what's up? This is Zach, me again. Welcome to my Motovlog. So we're going to Minglanilla. So again, to all my subscribers, thank you to all of you. And now we're going to Minglanilla, Cebu. Yeah. So again, thank you. Ito na nga, no? Wala tayong matapik ngayon. And today is Saturday. Oh, ano nangyari dito, no? I'm in SRP. I'm doing my vlog in SRP. Yeah. Hey, ano ba talaga? Magtatagalog o magbibisaya? Siguro mas mabuti yung Tagalog, no, para maintindihan tayo ng ating mga subscriber, no?
Drop it.
So, ayun, nandito ako sa SRP ngayon. At ayun, nakita nyo naman yung city vlog ko. Hey, what's up, kuya? We're doing great. Nakita nyo naman yung city vlog ko, pero ayun, naputol nga. So sorry dahil naputol yung vlog ko dahil nag-lowbat yung action cam ko. So ayun, maraming nagtatanong kung ano daw ang gamit kong cam para sa motovlog ko. At yung ginagamit ko ay yung ms.jmac 4000 with Wi-Fi. Whoops. What's up, kuya? What's up? Ang init ngayon, no? Pero nagba-vlog pa rin tayo, no? Dahil vlog is life. Yeah. Again, to all my subscribers, thank you to you. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend. Thank you to all of you. Mga bebot, salamat. Mga bebot, salamat. Yeah. So, baka sinasabi na nila na, bakit itong nagagaganyan yung motorista na to? Yung driver na to, bakit nagagaganyan? Yun o, sa parang nasashy din ako, no? Hey, bakit ako nandito? So ngayon nandito tayo sa guys, ano, capital SRP. Oh, ingat-ingat mga pare. Pag dumaan kayo dito, ingat kayo, ingat. Grabe yun. Makakos yun ng aksidente. Ay, ang ganda dito guys. Parang NLEX at SLEX lang to sa Manila. Pero ang tawag dito SRP ulo. Ganda na. Ang tawag dito ay SRP South Road Coastal Property. Viva! Hey, what's up, kuya? Oh, overload kayo, kuya, tapos wala yung helmet yung isa. Hindi yan pwede. Sirenes straight ahead. Again, shout out to Paul Cueva. Shout out to you, boy. I love you, my friend. You're doing great. Sana may bumili na sa atin ng kotse, no? Abot ako. Yay! Abot ako. Yeah. move truck. Again, shout out to my friends out there who are supporting me. Yeah, shout out to you guys. Thank you to all of you.
A few inches later.
Oh no! Woo! Ang nangyari dyan? Mag-ingat kayo kasi ride safe mga master. Grabe yun, 4 na kotse. 4 o 5? 5 ba yun? Grabe, sana walang nasaktan dun. Hey, mag-ingat kayo mga master. Grabe yun. Again, back to the topic. Thank you to all of you, to my friends who supported me. Thank you to all of you. Thank you. At ayun, may bago. Oy, kuya, wala kang kuya, wala kang helmet. Ba't ganun? Yeah. Okay. So again guys, my bike is Sniper 150. Yeah, I love this bike. I love this bike, my man. Woo. The yellow one, I love this. Yeah. Oh shit.
2 hours later.
Hey yo guys, what's up? This is Zach again. Welcome again to my vlog. I'm so sorry because hindi ako nakapag-update dun kasi may ginagawa kami. I'm so sorry guys. So yeah, thank you that you're still watching my vlog. Yeah, I'm so sorry. What's up kuya? Hey, why so traffic? Oh, bebot. May isang bebot sa harapan. May isang bebot. May isang bebot dito sa harapan. So again guys, I love this bike because maganda yung performance niya. Hey, what's up? Mga chikitings. Oh, this is a city of Talisay. This is a Plaza Talisay. So maganda din dito guys. Maganda doon. So kung gusto nyong pumunta doon, pumunta na kayo.
A few inches later.
So guys, again, ingat kayo sa pagmamaneho. So guys, what's up kuya? So guys, dito na lang yung vlog ko. See you. Whoops, muntika na yon. See you on my next vlog. Again, this is Zach. Don't forget to like and subscribe.